You can make $1,000 in just couple of minutes with one simple strategy and no one talks about it. Today I will show you how I use Stochastic Oscillator for quick profits on binary options. The strategy works in any market. The main thing is to know how to properly catch the movements when the market itself gives money. Watch carefully so you don't miss any key points. They can change your trading forever. If you want a complete guide on this scheme, then please like and write a comment. And I distribute all the most working signals and the secret schemes in my Telegram channel. The link is already waiting for you in the descriptions. Profit is already waiting for us. Go to the platform and withdraw money from this market. Here on the platform, let's start setting up right away. First, you need to choose the candles in the chart types. Then the candle time period is 1 minute. Now we turn to the indicators themselves. You need to turn on the Stochastic Oscillator. You can see the things on the screen. Time frame 30 minutes. I will trade on USD OTC today. It has a profit margin of 90% and we are betting the transaction amount of $150. The transaction time is 1 minute. And now let's start our trading session. I am opening the first trade to increase based on the support level that the price has tested several times. The Stochastic Oscillator was also in the oversold zone, signaling a possible reversible. Entering the pattern with the confirmation is a sure profit. Just like I said, the first and confident profit of $285, then more. Don't linger. I'm going up because the price has reached a level that has already been beaten back several times. Plus, the candlesticks show a slowdown in the movement. That is just the moment when the market is ready to turn around. My analysis does not let me down, and the second transaction is also completed in successful profit. You can see the profit in this transaction, $541. And now let's move on to the last deal. I distribute all the signals and strategies that bring me profit in the Telegram channel absolutely for free. If you want to go to the plus every day, then follow the link in the description while access is open. And here is the last trade. Here I go on for an increase because the prices hit the support level, which is noticed in advance. Plus, Stochastic showed oversold conditions, which is a signal that the market is ready to turn around. I just catch what I see, and you can do the same. Strategy, analysis, and confidence. Here are the three things that helped me in trading. All the deals went in and the last one brought me a profit of $1,027. I am sure that each one of you can do this and you can also have a great better result. Just like that, I made a profit of $1,000 in plus. You can see how good profit using one secret stochastic strategy right in front of our eyes. This strategy works every day and you can also do the same, and you can also make a good profit right now. I distribute all the signals and schemes that I use in my Telegram channel absolutely free of charge. There you will find ready-made strategies, step-by-step guides and support on way to earn profit. Link is already in the description, so fly in while the access is open and start earning today.